Hello and welcome again to Stocks Advisor. Today we'll talk about Triton International Limited, a ticker name TRTN, traded at New York Stock Exchange. And currently we are still in the end of the trading session, but price is now 62.10, might be going lower with some small volatility. The quick news here, it's a very bearish trend formation because we clearly pierced lower than moving average 20, the green line. By the way, here we have three moving averages. Depicted on the left top, you see it's a green, blue, and red being moving average 20, 50, and 200 correspondingly. So why is this very bad bearish formation? So let's put it in the center to understand. So first of all, we had here very nice and strong upwards trend. Three moving averages were kind of trending upwards, especially moving average 20. Then we had MACD wave 1, 2, 3, and now it's a classical decline because after third wave we are on the MACD histogram going down and trying to form a negative wave. But here you can see indication of the fact that a new negative wave is formed. So this was one half. Now we're going to make a second one. And this usually means a very strong deceleration activity and neglecting of the upwards move. And that's exactly what we see. Also what was observed here is piercing lower than moving average 20, and then moving average 20 suddenly becomes a resist level. That's a classical situation. Indeed, you see by this kind of shooting star candle 3 days ago, it was exactly this resist level. Again, today also it confirmed itself as a resist level, and now actually it's confirmed resist, so we're going all the way down. We could still rebound between moving average 250 like a volatility level could be, and you can make a quick profit. But overall, the trend is very, very, let's say at the moment, bearish. So still, we might do a volatility line and play on this one. So that would be our aim to trade. And therefore, let's now look at which levels we can buy and how to trade here. I wouldn't bet too much on this volatility level between moving average 200 and the blue line moving average 50. I would wait still piercing lower. Therefore, it might take up to 1 week maybe, but I will actually designate this level as a first entry opportunity between 54.27 and 56.39. So here we can buy. It's a first technical level, meaning that actually from there we should have first possibility to rebound. If this level is not confirmed, we might decline further, and then actually next resist support level will form for us. In this case it will be defined actually by here volatility lines and the lowest, and tops here with some volatility lines and volatility level here actually it's a little bit lower like this. Then it will be between 48.70, a little bit lower even, 50, 56. This would be our second level to enter, and therefore we can put our second box here. Again, we buy non-linearly, so we'll discuss at the end of this video how we buy through. By that time, if we continue from the first level to second, it would mean we will be making the third wave, or we will be making something like a shoulder. Similar situation April, May, you see like 1, 2 decline with shoulder formation, so it's like a neglection and another go. So that could be happening here as well, but then we will be prepared. And if some super negative catalyst comes, you see there is a vast area it could really go down because it was also taking up through the 2020. Therefore, we need to keep some funds for so-called doomsday scenario if the price really declines. So this is clearly this level formed here in October 2020, and for us it will be 33.45, 38.58. Again, it's not that we expect this line at all, but it's just if some super negative catalyst kicks in, then we know at least that we will be able to return our money and still make some profit at the end of the game, although of the very long game. So these are 3 levels to buy through. Now let's talk how we buy. In this case, it's a classical 5-portion play, meaning that the money you would like to play here, you can split in 5 portions. Then actually you can, buy with 1 portion through the first level, with 2 portions if we go to the second level, and you can keep remaining 2 portions to buy through the third level. So I again repeat, buying through the level, so meaning that you don't buy with the entire portion at the beginning of the level, but you just buy slowly, so you subsplit this amount and you buy slowly such a way that you try to be somewhere with in the middle of the level when you buy through it. because within it could also rebound any moment, but it's better to try to aim to be in the middle of it. So this is the trade, this is the game. Quickly, if we put again the expected trajectories, so it's either going here and then rebounding, or if we with some volatility we continue going further, then we rebound from the third level, or in the doomsday scenario we bounce from the second, in the doomsday scenario we rebound from the third. But then I wouldn't expect too much rebounds. Just take the profit whenever you are draw, and first, second level, take the profit whenever you are around 10% from the average price. With this being said, that's all for Triton International. If you like our way of trading and mitigating risks and profitability, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US-based stocks. With this being said, good luck with TRTN, and see you at another episode of Stocks Advisor.